Hello and welcome. This lesson explains how to introduce yourself in English and how to answer the question, "Tell me about yourself." A clear self-introduction is important in many situations, such as in class, job interviews, new workplaces, social events, or public speaking. Being prepared helps you speak with confidence. A good self-introduction should be simple, clear, and easy to remember. Greeting. Start with a greeting. The choice depends on the situation. Formal greetings include hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are suitable for professional or formal settings. Informal greetings include hi, hey, what's up? Choose a greeting that feels natural and appropriate for the situation. Name. Next, say your name. Common options include I am Lucy, I'm Lucy, my name is Lucy, my name's Lucy. If speaking on the phone or to a large audience, you can say, this is Lucy. Location. You can explain where you are from or where you live. Basic forms. I'm from Uganda. I'm Ugandan. Other useful forms. I come from Uganda. I was born and raised in Uganda. I was born in Kenya but raised in Uganda. I'm originally from Kampala but now live in Nairobi. I've been living in Kampala for 3 years. Job or study. You can talk about your work, studies, or field. I work at a company. I work for a company. I'm a teacher. I work as a manager. I work in sales. I'm a marketing graduate. I have a degree in business. I'm currently taking a course in English. I have completed a course in computer skills. Experience. You can describe your experience. I have 3 years of experience in sales. I have experience in marketing. I've worked in accounting for 2 years. Family. In informal situations, you can talk about your family. I'm from a family of 4. We are a family of 5. I am one of 3 siblings. I am an only child. Hobbies. You can share your interests. I enjoy reading. I like playing football. I'm a big fan of music. I'm a keen runner. Age. If needed, you can mention your age. I am 25 years old. I'm 25. I'm in my mid-20s. Fun fact. You can include a simple, interesting detail about yourself. A fun fact about me is that I enjoy traveling. A fun fact about me is that I can cook many dishes. Example introduction. A basic introduction. Good morning. My name is Lucy. I am 25 years old. I am from Bedfordshire. I work as an English teacher. I enjoy running and fitness. A more natural version. Good morning. My name is Lucy, and I am a 25-year-old teacher from Bedfordshire. I work as an English teacher, and I enjoy running and fitness. Short, connected sentences sound more natural and confident. Conclusion. A good self-introduction should be clear, natural, and appropriate for the situation. Preparing your introduction in advance can help you speak more confidently. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the channel for more English lessons.